Yes. Closer action. Closer action. You see this engine? It's worth over $25 million. Just kidding. This is a truck from 1968. It is very old. It's older than my mom.
This is going on YouTube, right?
Yep. Oh God.
It's older than my mom.
Okay. This is Big Head Kid. Keeps on walking in my way.
Yeah.
This is my truck.
It's not.
My
Get out of the truck. I don't care. I can shut it.
I bought this truck in 1954, even though it was made in 1968.
Let's try it again.
It's called Old Blue. Pretty awesome, huh? Freaking big. Here's the driver. Here's the ugly kid. You see that? I got my car to work. Well, my friend did. My friend got my car to work. Ford 250 with the Z28 engine in it. Sexy. See them headlights? They're glass, not plastic. See them rims? Bought these rims in 2005. See this paint job? I waxed it. Yeah, it was looking all fresh. All fresh and stuff.
Alright, Casey, you hop in the passenger seat.
Yeah, here you go.
No, you're gonna videotape it.
Videotape what?
The truck.
Why?
In the truck.
Alright.
Hey,
shut up!
Get out of the back.
You don't die. Can't even open the door.
See a sucker.
Okay. You're gonna die.
You gonna die?
This is hard.
It's not that hard. Alright, here's the camera.
Hopefully this driver does not wreck my car.
Is that your car?
It's a $500 car.
I'll let this guy go past. So, that guy doesn't like me.
You see that dude? Yeah, that's Ty. He only gets 10-year-old girls.
And it's kind of funny. Alright, let's get out of here.
You hear that engine? Yeah. Why are you going into the
Turning around.
Okay. Where are we going?
Stuck here. Maybe take the road now.
Yeah, we're in Branson.
You don't ever say that.
See this interior? It's all jacked up. That's my new car that I'm getting, that smart car right there. Yeah, people.
Alright.
You guys ready for 4th of July? bad?
Nah, it's normal. For this thing, anyway.
Hopefully we don't go into the field.
We won't. I already fixed all the steering issues with this thing.
Was it hard?
No, man, it steers nice. Track's pretty straight too, but it's got a low tire on one side.
Okay, let's go back up. Hit him. Just go around him. He said, Are you backing in?
Yeah, I'm going back into my driveway.
That's horrible.
It's horrible.
What if you hit your mailbox?
Oh, I couldn't hit none.
Let me see.
The only thing I'm afraid of hitting is that stupid van. Idiot. Not so much afraid of hitting Grandpa's van either.
Why don't you just go in straight? If you have to work on it.
I'm not really working on the motor, me. Oh, come on. Come on, Bessie.
What if Ty was in the middle of your driveway?
That'd suck. Well, for him.
Look at Ty.
Gosh darn it, Grandpa. Oh, come on, Bessie.
Are you supposed to do that?
I don't have the clutch fully disengaged. And that's why these idiot people put the freaking cars in my way. Hit that. There we go. We're not gonna hit Grandpa's van this time.
You hit his van?
No.
Uh-oh.
He would be a little bit mad. I hit one of his trucks once. Not with this, but back up in Wisconsin. Whenever I lived up there. That was tied.
Lock the door. Lock the door. Lock the door.
Nice and toasty in here. Alright, that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching.
Do I just hit the red button?
Yep.